Great for beginners. This makeup designer kit is the best makeup center for beginning makeup artist. The best of beauty in one super-stylin light-up makeup center. Ultimate collection 40 super stylish colors. Ultimate collection for cheeks, lips and eyes. Makeup magic. The best of beauty in one super-stylin light-up makeup center. Enjoy applying your makeup in a beautiful light-up mirror. Real MAKEUP The Shimmer and Sparkle Real Ultimate Makeup Designer comes with light-up mirror, 8 lip colors, 21 eyeshadows, 8 cheek colors, 3 gloss tubes, 1 mini applicator, 1 mini brush, 4 makeup guide cards, and easy-to-follow instructions. Makeup accessories. The Shimmer and Sparkle Real Ultimate Makeup Designer is a great for fashionistas ages 8 and up. Top reviews from the United States. Great kids palette. My daughter, age 6, asked for this for Christmas and she absolutely loves it. I was surprised by the quality. The plastic is relatively sturdy. The makeup itself is not highly pigmented, making it suitable for younger children who can be heavy-handed. Would definitely recommend this for budding MUAs.